Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling proof and the legal basis to remove the auditor. This is not opinion work, it's documentation. Once you have engagement letters and performance records, compare them to bylaws and statutory removal procedures so you know the vote threshold and notice requirements. Make sure to record dates and communications because the why matters for shareholder or board approval. If independence or fees are cited, prepare that evidence. If not, prepare a neutral performance-based rationale to minimize dispute. You convene the required meeting with correctly served notices and the proposed resolution to remove the auditor. Once notice is given, present the documented grounds clearly, state facts, not rhetoric, and explain the replacement process and transition timeline. If a replacement auditor is preselected, introduce them and outline continuity steps for interim work and access to records. Make sure voting procedures are observed exactly. If a special majority is required, confirm proxies and quorum before calling. You complete the process by notifying regulators, filing required forms, and updating corporate disclosures so there's no compliance gap. Once removed, supervise transfer of work papers and unresolved items, require signed receipts and a cutoff date for fees. Make sure to pay legitimate outstanding invoices to limit claims. If members contest removal, be ready with a contingency. Seek an interim auditor, schedule a rehearing, or obtain court direction. If things get stuck, consult counsel immediately and preserve all communications as evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.